Hello, today Luna and I are opening a box because I receive boxes and then I forget to open them. Yeah, what do you think? Okay, let's check it out. Oh, was that too low? That's okay, maybe. Adjust. Whatever, okay. I don't know who this is from. Let's find out. Does it smell like anything good? I don't know how to open this. Oh, I thought that would just open. So now it just open. Ooh. What's that? I don't even know what it is. What is it? Is it gummies? Is it gummies? Let's look. Okay, it's not doing a good job. Oh, bless you. Does it smell good? What do you think? Oh, that's okay. Okay. Oh, it is in here. Real results you can see and feel. Now at Target. What is this? First day, just found its perfect fit. Now at Target. This could have been a while ago. I don't open things quickly. Our gummies. Okay, gummies, wellness gummies. From picky eaters to busy parents. Make daily wellness. Okay, so like vitamins? Gummy vitamins? Let's look. Let's look. Luna, what do you think about this one? Sniff. It's okay. Yeah. Target pen. Oh, this is a puzzle. 48p. Oh, this is a puzzle. I thought it was vitamins. Okay, cool. We'll do a puzzle. Nice. This maybe is cool packaging. Women, the multi. No junk. No fake sugars. Vegan, natural field raspberry. 50 gummies, dietary supplement. Cool. What is in it? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Twist to fight modern health challenges. Reusable bottle. Cool. What am I going to reuse it for? Is it one of those, like, you know how you get like an iPhone box and you keep it forever? Is that the same? Cool. Should we try it? She ran away. It's okay. Oh, that was easy. Smells really good. They're not super colorful, which is probably good because it probably means it's actually natural. First impression, it's kind of chalky. It breaks down easier, probably, I'm assuming maybe less like gelatin in it, which is probably a good thing. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so it's biotin, folate, DCAEBK, magnesium, and zinc. Cool. This is a cool package. I like the package. I like it. Cool. We'll see if I keep taking them. I like how it's not a traditional, like, squishy gummy. How I can, like, squish it in my mouth and kind of stays squished. Like, it's, like, easier to break down and get, like, nutrients out of it. And it doesn't feel like, oh, it's just candy, you know? Cool. Thank you so much. Who sent this to me? I don't even know who sent this to me. First day at Target. I love that. We don't have Target in Canada. Can you buy it somewhere else? I know, but at least if you live in the States and you have a Target, you can try them out. Yeah. I weirdly like it. I think just because it's different than any other vitamin gummy I've ever had, it makes me think, okay, maybe there's something to it, if it's not just literally the same thing. Flavor isn't too sweet, not too overwhelming. Cool. Cool, 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 cool.